All right, guys, we got another update. MOAS. All right, so obviously we're going to be talking about AMC and GME. The MOAS means stocks, what's going on, where we're at with everything, and what I think is going to happen. Of course, not financial advice. Make sure notifications are on because I do drop things like shorts and stuff on my Twitter and on my Discord. So if you want to know what's going on every single second and all the information, make sure you check this out because I do post there more than I do post on my YouTube, and I do post shorts more than my regular videos to keep you guys updated. But with that being said, let's go ahead and check out the charts, check out the data, see what we have going on, the news, and get into it. Alright, and welcome back to another video with Data Zero. So as you can see, we're looking at AMC and of course GME. So these stocks did see downside last week. And if you definitely check out my other video on the stock red box, which has been ripping, which you can use these profits to move into the stocks AMC and GME if you choose, not financial advice, just something that I might be doing personally. Because the stock is definitely moving up and getting out of control. So that's ticker RDBX, and I do have a whole video on that. Go ahead and check it out. But we're looking at AMC and GME in this video, and you can see that short interest is increasing on these stocks. We're at 22% for AMC. And if we go ahead and look that up right now, so AMC short interest. And as you guys can see, reported by Fintel, that this will be about 22%, which is extremely high. So 21.31% officially from Fintel. Ortex is showing about 22.2%. So a little bit of variation. Ortex is a little bit more up to date, but also a little bit more speculative. But we can see that short interest is increasing. The days to cover and the cost to borrow is also increasing as well, which means it's getting harder and harder and harder for shorts, and they are literally trapped in this play. Anytime that it spikes up, it literally cripples the shorts, and we are winning by nutrition. If we continue to hold, continue to buy, there's no way that you can buy and hold a stock for so long on so many masses of people and not get some type of price action. The momentum that is building up behind this is going to release, and it is going to be epic. Not financial advice, just something I'm looking at personally. Now, if we're looking at the technicals, you guys can see that we did have this falling wedge pattern, which is a 2 out of 3 chance to break to the upside. Now, it did have a false breakout where it looked like it was going to go up, then got pulled back down and retested the wedge, but we never went back below the wedge and consolidated inside of it, and that's very important. This could be another retest of the top of the wedge, which you can see that we're still on the line, which would be pretext for a continuation to the upside from this move. It's a continuation bullish pattern to the upside. So you could see highs of about $16 next week if things go well and the SPY cooperates with us. Now, the SPY has been getting knocked down by CPI data and other inflation hedge news or inflation news, which is obviously making it very, very difficult for us to get any legs under these rallies. But you can see that we are oversold or very sold or close to about oversold on the overall time frames. We do have a bullish MACD on the daily and on the weekly time frame. So that is something to look for. Last time we had a bullish MACD on the weekly time frames, we ran up to about $31, $32, about $34 to be exact. And then of course this happened over here when we were bullish on the weekly time frame where we ran up to $72. And also we have short interest matching those numbers is when we ran up to $72. So it's something that you could be looking at if you're looking at the technicals. Also, GME has the NFT marketplace coming out. It also has the stock split, which it did get approved. So that is going to be a huge catalyst, and you can see that it's basically been consolidating in this range, holding these levels. And on the lower time frames, well, the slightly lower time frames in the weekly, you can see that we are also in a bullish consolidation pattern, and this could be a test of the top of the pattern again for a breakout to the upside. We're going to have to see. It's not a breakdown, and it wasn't a bull trap yet, but we're going to have to see what happens next week on these two stocks in particular to give you even more information. But the prices I'm looking at for GME are a low of about 120 to 115 and a high of 140 to 150. AMC, I'm looking for a low of 11 or 12 bucks, maybe 10 bucks. I don't think it will go that low. We'll probably stay within this 11 and $12 range where the hedge funds want to keep us until things move down and they can kick the can down the road a little bit more. They want to keep us in this range, and it's very, very obvious they want to keep us in a tight pattern of trading ranges between 11 and 13, 14 bucks on AMC. And if we break out of this, we could see major upside. So we're going to have to see if we consolidate in those range, or this is a breakout to the upside and we will see continuation to it. But we do have bullish MACD on the bigger time frames, which is very important. But that is all I really have for you guys as far as AMC and GME, as far as news and technical analysis and what's going on with the squeeze and the update. I just wanted to give you guys an update because I haven't been dropping videos as much as I would like. But make sure you have all notifications on, because I always drop stuff on Twitter, on YouTube Shorts, and on my Discord. Links down in the description. But as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out. Alright, that was the video, so hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. Again, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.